welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Belize. Company incorporation in Belize. Limited liability company, limited partnership, offshore company, trust, international foundation, branch, representative office. Here are some features of limited liability company. Less regulation, ownership, personal asset protection, separate entity, management, pass-through taxation. Limited partnership. In case of general partners, there are management and limited liability. Is agent of partnership, has fiduciary duty and duty of care. In case of limited partners, there is no management, limited liability, is not agent of partnership, no fiduciary duty and duty of care. A chart showing offshore company. Chart showing setting up an offshore company to maximize profit. A chart showing trust. There are executive directors, non-executive directors, PTC, trust advisor, family member, private company, investment, properties, trust, class of beneficiaries. International foundation. To register an international foundation in Belize, there must be at least one founder who is required to appoint a management council and a registered agent, who should be a licensed trustee service provider with the Belize International Financial Services Commission. The identities of the founders, beneficiaries, and council members of the International Foundation need to be publicly disclosed. This type of company can be opted for if is looking to operate in the domain wealth management. A chart showing branch company, foreign parent company. Under this, there are subsidiary and branch. Features of subsidiary: flexible, 100% local Russian company, independent structure. Features of branch: partially independent, local structure, can do business in Russia. Table showing representative office, procedure and time frame. Securing an office for registration, it depends on client. Preparation and collection of relevant registration documentations, the time frame is 15 to 30 days. Online registration application via Administration of Industry and Commerce AIC website, it takes 3 to 5 working days. Registration certificate and working card application on spot at AIC, the time frame is 5 to 10 working days. Benefits of company incorporation in Belize. It is also known for its offshore company incorporation, as it offers several fillps like low cost of registration, tax exemption, complete privacy, etc. Belize has lucrative investment promotion incentive for foreigners like fiscal incentive program, which does away custom duties for foreign investors. There are no restrictions pertaining to foreign investor owning real estate in Belize. Belize is an adorable location for business setup from the start point of real estate prices, which are not one of the most affordable in the Caribbean and Central American region. The primary business language in Belize is English, so official communication isn't hassle if you are a foreigner looking to set up your business in the country. Thank you.